Starting an automotive dealership is a thrilling journey that can be incredibly rewarding. But where do you even begin? Let's break it down step by step. First things first, you need a solid business plan. Think of this as your roadmap. What kind of vehicles will you sell? New, used, or maybe a mix? Consider your target market, the competition, and a budget that covers everything from inventory to marketing. It's like planning a road trip. You wouldn't just aimlessly drive around, right? Your business plan sets you on the right path. Next, you'll need to choose a location. This is crucial. You want a spot with good visibility and easy access. Think about where your potential customers already go. Is there a bustling area in town where folks are always shopping? That might be your sweet spot. A good location can make all the difference. Once you've got your location, it's time to get your licenses and permits. This is a must, and it can get a bit tricky because requirements vary by state. But don't worry, legalregistration.com has got your back. Simply visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111, and we'll help you navigate this process smoothly. Now let's talk about inventory. You've got your space and your paperwork in order. What cars will fill your lot? Building relationships with manufacturers or wholesalers can help you get the best deals. And remember, a diverse selection can attract a broader range of customers. Staffing is another key element. You'll need a team that's as passionate about cars and customer service as you are. Hire a mix of salespeople, administrative staff, and technicians who can keep your operations running smoothly. A team that feels like family can create an atmosphere that keeps customers coming back. Marketing your dealership is next. Having a strong online presence is a must. Social media, a user-friendly website, and maybe even some local advertising can help spread the word. Think about what makes your dealership unique and shout it from the rooftops, or at least on Instagram and Facebook. Finally, always focus on customer service. Building a loyal customer base is about more than just selling cars. It's about relationships. Offer test drives, create a welcoming environment, and follow up with customers after their purchase. Word of mouth is powerful in this industry. Starting an automotive dealership is like piecing together a complex puzzle. But with the right tools and support, you can fit it all together perfectly. Remember, legalregistration.com is here to help you every step of the way. Visit us at legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111 to get started. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips on starting and running your business. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your new venture.